Hello, fellow entrepreneurs and business owners. Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of any successful e-commerce venture: building an exceptional after-sales service. This isn't just about completing a transaction. It's about forging a lasting relationship with your customers. Join us as we walk you through each vital step to ensure your post-purchase experience stands out from the rest. 1. Order confirmation. Our journey begins with the order confirmation. As soon as your customer completes their purchase, it's imperative to send them an order confirmation email. This email serves as a digital handshake, providing vital information such as the order number, purchased items, shipping address, and estimated delivery time. It's the first step in building trust and ensuring your customer knows their order is in safe hands. 2. Fulfillment and shipping updates. Next up, we move into the fulfillment and shipping updates phase. Once the order is prepped for shipment, let your customer know. This can be done through automated emails or notifications. Keep them in the loop with regular updates on the status of their package. Providing this transparency ensures your customer feels engaged and informed throughout the shipping process. 3. Delivery confirmation. As the package lands on your customer's doorstep, it's time for the delivery confirmation. In this email, express gratitude for their purchase and encourage feedback on their shopping experience. This not only shows appreciation, but also sets the stage for future interactions. Make it clear that you're here to address any questions or concerns they may have. 4. Customer support. Throughout the entire post-purchase journey, impeccable customer support is non-negotiable. Offer multiple channels for contact, whether it's email, live chat, or a dedicated support ticket system. Respond promptly and effectively to inquiries, addressing any issues or concerns. This level of attentiveness builds trust and ensures customer satisfaction. 5. Return and refund policy. Clarity is key when it comes to your return and refund policy. Ensure it's easily accessible on your website and include it in your order and delivery confirmation emails. Should a customer wish to initiate a return or refund, provide straightforward instructions. A seamless resolution process is a testament to your commitment to customer satisfaction. 6. Follow up. As time passes since the delivery, don't let the connection fade. Initiate a follow-up to gauge customer satisfaction with the product and overall shopping experience. Whether it's a personalized email or an automated feedback request, every response is a goldmine of insights. Use this feedback to refine your processes and address any concerns. By diligently following these steps, you're not just providing a service. You're creating an unforgettable experience. Building a solid after-sales service isn't just good business practice. It's the heart of customer centricity. This approach leads to enhanced satisfaction, unwavering loyalty, and a stream of positive reviews and referrals. Thank you for joining us on this journey to elevate your after-sales service. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights to grow your e-commerce business. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Here's to building lasting customer relationships. Until next time.